You feel like you're on the never-ending sleep regression bus. Was your 12-month-old sleeping relatively well, but suddenly they're waking up more at night, refusing naps during the day, struggling to settle to sleep, or seem more fussier than normal? Today, I'm going to share what is going on with your 12-month-old and 3 tips to help them through the 12-month sleep regression. Unfortunately, this isn't the last of the sleep regressions, so be sure to stay until the end of this video to know how to access our free PDF download covering all sleep regressions for the first 2 years to help your little one navigate through them. Hi there, I'm Kat, a pediatric sleep consultant from Baby Sleep Team, and I'm here to get your baby or toddler sleeping well. Just when you were hoping the sleep regressions had ended, you find yourself typing into YouTube 12-month sleep regression. A sleep regression is when your little one was previously sleeping relatively well, but now there are a lot of disturbances. The 12-month-old sleep regression is a pretty big one, and when I get a lot of calls from exhausted parents. So why, all of a sudden, is your little one having a hard time with sleep? There is unlikely to be one exact culprit, as there are multiple factors that could be impacting their sleep. They could be physical milestones. Your little baby is growing up and becoming a toddler. Cue the tissues. This is a common age for toddlers to learn how to walk and to climb. They are becoming more active and are on the move. Physical milestones are a big contributing factor to regressions, as your little one is learning the art of mastering their newfound skills. Increased communication. You may find that your child is communicating to you or themselves more and more. This could mean they will chat to themselves in their crib for longer periods, which may also delay the onset of sleep. Adjustment of sleep patterns. According to the Sleep Foundation, the recommended amount of total sleep at this age is 11 to 14 hours over a 24-hour period. This is actually reduced slightly from the younger ages from 12 to 15 hours. Your little one may be adjusting to slightly less sleep overall, but it's really important to note that they are absolutely still requiring daytime sleep to ensure that they are getting the appropriate amount of sleep. Nap transitions are a big one here, which I will talk about in more detail shortly. Separation anxiety. This can come with heightened emotional and social development. This is part of your little one's growth. They are becoming so much more aware of the world around them, and they will be communicating their wants and needs. So now that we know the possible causes, here are my top 3 tips. Tip number 1, avoid dropping from 2 naps down to 1. While the age range can be somewhere between 12 to 18 months, 12 months is most certainly on the early side, and transitioning to 1 nap too early can result in an exhausting sleep deprivation cycle. The common age for this nap transition is closer to 15 to 18 months. Ideally, you're on a short nap for the first nap of the day, followed by their long nap over the lunchtime period, as this nap structure helps you through the transition immensely. Tip number 2, allow your toddler to have lots of opportunities throughout the day to expel their energy and to practice their new skills. You need to expose your child to plenty of natural light and to provide them with plenty of daytime activity. This not only helps their circadian rhythm to support good sleep overnight, but it will also mean that they can master their skills during the day versus in their crib at night. I've worked with multiple families who find themselves needing to go into their toddler's room to help them because they stand up in the crib and they actually can't get down on their own. I've had another family whose little one would hitch his arms up over the crib rail and actually stay there falling asleep standing up. The more you practice during the day and help your toddler to master their new skills, the less likely they will be to practice overnight. Tip number 3, keep everything consistent. Apart from the 4-month sleep regression, which is a permanent change, the other sleep regressions are predominantly temporary, lasting anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks. Now is not the time to be introducing new habits, and you will need to have patience to help your child to go through these milestones. This can be challenging when you're exhausted, but it's worth sticking to as you go through this bump in the road. These sleep disturbances are completely normal, so by keeping consistent and patient, this too shall pass. For more information on sleep regressions, you can access our free Sleep Regressions PDF download covering all the regressions right up to 2 years of age. You can also watch this next video on ideal bedtime routines to help you maintain a consistent bedtime routine for your little one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.